Hello, my name is Kayvon Jones, civilian patriot, real estate investment advisor, and the host of Vegas for Veterans, where we teach veterans and military families how to buy, sell, and invest in Las Vegas. When we're talking about the process and timeline of purchasing a home, the first thing that you want to always do is you want to make sure that you get pre-approved for the property before doing anything else, because you do not want to go looking at any properties that for one reason or another you will not be able to afford, and you just got your hopes up unnecessarily. So that pre-approval should come first. Then you should go in to tour the properties, and once you found a property that you like, definitely with your real estate professional that you decided to work with, go ahead and put an offer on that property. Once you enter into escrow of that home purchase, you're gonna make sure that first you get a home inspection, and then you're gonna have a VA appraisal. And that's where certain details with working with your lender and your real estate team really comes into fruition at that point. So there's going to be a lot of different things in regards to your lender getting some things going for you. So a common mistake many active duty personnel make when purchasing a home with the VA loan